Hello everyone, I'm Sevin from Kai Academy and today I'm going to talk about how to upload multiple videos to Instagram from an iPhone or iPad. In this video, we explain what you want to know about Instagram album creation feature and how to create albums. If you've already taken videos with your phone or iPad and saved them to your camera roll, you can upload them to a single Instagram video and share it with your followers. Sorry Android users, this feature isn't available on Android smartphones yet. And follow the steps to upload multiple clips into one Instagram video. At first, tap the plus icon in the Instagram feed screen. Just look at the bottom of the screen and tap the plus icon in the Instagram feed screen. And if the library screen isn't displayed, tap library. Right now we are in the library, so I'll just choose the first video I want to upload by tapping its thumbnail image in the camera roll screen. And then I'll just tap next. The filter screen appears when we tap next. From here, tap trim at the bottom of the screen. The trim screen appears and your selected video plays in the viewer, and the plus icon appears to the right of the video thumbnail image. And tap the plus icon, then tap the thumbnail for the video that you want to add to the first video. And the selected video now supports it too, which tells you that this is the second clip that will appear in the video. And the second clip plays continuously in the viewer. To stop playing, tap anywhere in the viewer. And repeat step 5 until you've added all the video clips you want. As you add each clip, Instagram assigns it a number indicating its order in the video. And then tap done. And here I just chose one video, and after that you're just gonna share it. The trim screen appears with thumbnails of your video clip in the order in which they will appear in the video, and you can add more clips at this point if you want. And tap the plus icon, tap the clip's thumbnail and tap done. And the viewer displays all the clips playing continuously so you can see how they will appear to your followers. To stop video playback, tap anywhere in the viewer. If you add a clip that puts your video over 60-second limit, Instagram will automatically trim the last clip so that your entire video lasts for exactly 60 seconds. It's optional, but to remove a clip from your video, tap and hold down on the clip's thumbnail and the viewer is replaced by an X inside a box. And then drag the thumbnail to the X, and it's optional. You can apply a filter or change the cover or both, and then tap next and the new post screen appears. And you can type a caption, add a location, share your photo on other social networks, and turn commenting on or off. And when you upload a video with multiple clips, you can't change the orientation of the clips to landscape or portrait. Each clip appears in its original orientation, so keep that in mind when you want to create a video with multiple clips. I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching and have a great day.